Okay, today we're going to tell you about fitting front parking sensors into a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. Included in the box are the user manual and the installation manual, the 4 parking sensor heads and their leads. The leads are marked E, F, G and H. It is important to use them in this order. The leads connect with a waterproof connection. Important, these are pushed together tight. Do not cut the leads as they are tuned. The metal control box is designed to shield unwanted fields. The main control loom has a plug that connects back into the metal control box. The black wire is to be connected to an earth. The white wire is to go to the brake light. The red wire is not used. The blue wire is the radio mute wire. The pink wire is to go to the pink wire on the switch, and the green wire is the learning wire. This is a function that's used to disable a forward protrusion on the vehicle. The unit comes with a switch with a sticker that is removed by the owner. The pink wire is the main power wire and connects with the pink wire on the main loom. The black wire is an earth wire. The red wire goes to the accessory 12 volt. The grommet is located in the firewall to run the loom. The front of the vehicle is then masked and all the marking is done on a masking tape. You then establish the height of the sensors, which is to be within 5 and 700 millimeters off the ground. A center line of the vehicle is then worked out, and sensors F and G are to be within 300 millimeters of that center line. Sensors E and H are then to be no more than 200 millimeters in from a horizontal plane down the side of the vehicle. Then establish that all sensors are evenly spaced. Drill with an initial pilot hole and then drill through with the provided hole saw. Clean off any excess swarf around the edge of the hole. Push cable through, making sure that there is enough length of cable for future servicing. The sensors are then joined to the loom securely and properly. The sensors must be the correct way up. They are marked with a small arrow on the back of the head. The sensor must be a slightly loose fit, as pressure will cause false alerts. Must not push the sensors in the center, only via the outer rim. Sensors must not angle down, they must be on a horizontal plane or angled slightly up. This will avoid false alerting. If the vehicle is fitted with a nudge bar, bull bar, or any other permanently mounted object to the front, it may be necessary to program out the object for the unit to operate correctly. To do this, you need to enter learning mode. To turn learning mode on, turn the ignition on, press and hold the foot brake, and then connect the green learning wire to a 12 volt positive power supply. After approximately 20 seconds, the unit will give 2 audible tones to confirm programming. If a display unit is installed, the display will flash once as well as give the audible tones. Now disconnect the green wire permanently, release the foot brake, and the object zone is permanently mapped out of the program. Once all the sensors are mounted, the loom position is finalized. The wires are then taped together to establish an OEM look and finish. The unit has an override switch. This is necessary to turn the unit off when there is snow, extreme weather, or other similar build-up or interference on the front of the vehicle. It is to be mounted below the steering wheel in an inconspicuous position. It illuminates when the sensors are turned off. Once the driver has read and understands the operation of the system, they can remove the yellow sticker. The optional dash display is mounted on the front center edge of the dashboard using the 3M tape. The positioning must be so that the wiring is hidden along the front edge of the dash. We recommend using adder circuits as they give a good clean power source. Connect the red accessory wire from the override switch to a suitable accessory feed at the fuse box. Once all connections are plugged into the control box, it is best practice to wrap the box with insulation tape to prevent any wire becoming disconnected. Mount the control box and the wiring securely and in such a way that it looks professional, and then test the complete unit's operation. Once this is done, you are finished.